I was not comfortable at all because I was running from the truth. I was so scared that the society will not accept me. So I hid that thing in front of my mom, and after 1 year I cut my hair. I wrote a letter to my mom that I'm not straight. When I come out to my relatives, they were like very supportive. In some are supportive and some are not. They are talking about like it's not acceptable. I'm going against our religion and God will not accept me, something like that.
To all those people who are closeted, I would just like to tell you that just take your time. There is no hurry, and there is no force to come out. And if you fear to come out, and if you think you are not ready, that's okay. That's totally fine. If you think that you will never be ready, even that is totally fine. It's just that take your time, decide on what you want to do.
The name Homonoi means coordination. When we came out with the group in 2018, we are a community, we are a group started by a community for the community. And in all these activities that we have done, our focus has been the community. So when we are doing an activity, say, we have done an art exhibition, we have done a community, like say, a talk. Back then, the concept of webinar still was not that present. So all of these things, like people coming and talking about the issues and everything, and sports activity, and all this also like cultural activity through singing, dancing, poetry, uh, various things. Even like say something like a fashion show or a public hug campaigning.
Hopdo is actually the first registered organization working on LGBTQIA plus issues in Assam. Hopdo had been first started as the first dialogue in Tezpur because me myself being from the queer community of me myself being queer, identifying as queer, I realized that there was a need for a collective for a dialogue.
After some time, when I taught them about LGBTQI community, they accept it. And I think that if we, as a homonnoi, as a queer group, as individuals, we will spread the informations about LGBTQ, will break the myths about LGBTQI community, it will get better. People will accept us.
There are people who are going to help you, there are people who are going to support you, so reach out to these people today, you know take their help, take their support. And if and when you think you are ready, just come out of the door closet and just shut that door for good and never go inside that ever again.
There is no need of accepting us exactly, but yeah, it's like when when we live in a society, we need to have some security for us as a community, because you'll see many cases of suicide, many cases of harassment, many cases of murder, because they belong from the LGBTQ community, and I don't want that. It should be very safe for the LGBTQ community. It should be very, comfortable for the LGBTQ community. It's getting better day by day, but in some areas, rural areas, it's not changed. Actually, क्या होता है जब आप एक मेन टाउन में रहते हो तो यहाँ पे इफेक्टिव रहता है एंड देन पीपल आर ओपन माइंडेड, बट इन द रूरल एरियाज दे आर नॉट एजुकेटेड, दैट्स द मेन प्रॉब्लम. सो एजुकेशन एंड देन मिथ्स को तोड़ना एंड देन सब चीज़ों को उनके सामने रखने से ही ठीक हो सकता है.